Hello, my dear ones. Good morning, and welcome back again on our school YouTube platform. I, Pawan Chaudhary, your maths teacher, in front of you with the lecture for grade 4th. Okay, beta. Here we are in chapter number 5, that is the multiplication. In this chapter, we just are in exercise that is on page number 75. So, what you have to do? Open the page number 75 in your book, and in this exercise, the question number up to 5th we have already completed in our previous lecture. Now, for this lecture, we are going to start our question number 6th. So, are you ready for that? Okay. First, read the question carefully. A book costs rupees 567. What is the cost of 178 such books? So see the question number first, 6th. A book cost rupees 567. What is the cost of? What is the cost of 178 such books? Now see this question. A book cost rupees 567, means cost of one book is rupees 567, then cost of 178 books, obviously more than the rupees, the amount is more than this amount. Okay na, means cost of one book is this amount, then cost of 178 books, obviously it is more than this amount. So for more, what we have to do? We have to multiply. Okay, now see the solution of this question. Cost of one book equals to rupees 567. Now cost of 178 books equals to rupees 567 multiplied by 178. 567 multiplied by 178. So simply you have to multiply these two numbers, and whatever the result you got, that is the amount of 178 such books. Now see, 567 multiplied by 178. Simply what you have to do? You have to simply multiply. 8 7 ja 56, 6 carry 5. 8 6 ja 48. 48 plus 5, 53, 3 carry 5. 8 5 ja 40, 40 plus 5, 45. Now you mention the sign of multiplication here and erase all the carries. Okay, 7 7 ja 49, 9 carry 4. 7 6 ja 42, 42 plus 4, 46 carry 4. 7 5 ja 35, 35 plus 4, 39. Put the double sign of the multiplication here, and you know very well, if one is multiplied with the number, you got the same number, that is 7 6 5. Now simply you have to add here. 6 9 plus 3 12, 2 carry 1. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 7 19, 9 carry 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 6 20, 0 carry 2. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10. Okay, now this is the result. 100,926 means 1,926 is the cost of 178 such books. Like this you have to solve the question. Now see the question number 7. Question number 7. A maths notebook has 196 ruled pages. How many ruled pages are there in therein 45 such notebooks. Now again see this, means a maths notebook means one maths notebook having 196 ruled page. The number of books is 45 books, such books having more than that ruled pages. Obviously it is obvious from the question that one book having 196 ruled pages, then 45 such books having more than that. For more, what you have to do, you have to multiply the numbers. Okay, so like this you have to know which operation you have to perform in the question. Now see the solution. Ruled pages in one notebook equals to 196. Then ruled pages in 45 such notebooks equals to 196 multiplied by 45. Okay, now see 196 you have to multiply by 4 5. 6 5s are 30, 0 carry 3, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 3 48, carry 4, 5 1s are 5, 4 9. Put here the sign of multiplication here, and 6 4s are 24, 4 carry 2, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 2 38, carry 3. Next 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. Simply you have to add here, 0 8 4 12, 2 carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 8 18, 8 carry 1, 7 plus 1 8. So these are the pages in 45 such books, 8820. Okay, now see next question, very interesting question, and you know, I hope you all know the answer of the next question. Now see the next question, that is question number 8. How many minutes are there in a day? I hope you know the answer. Answer is that 3600. Now see, how many minutes are there in a day? First, you know that in a day how many hours are there? That is 24 hours. Solution: one day equals to 24 hours. Okay, and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Okay, then 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, then 24 hours equals to, okay, in 1 hour 60 minutes, then in 24 hours the minutes are more than that. So for more, what you have to do, you have to multiply, then 60 multiplied by 24. Okay, now 0 is there, put the 0 here. 6 4 ja 24, carry 2, 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 2 14, that is 1440. Okay, and 3600 is the seconds. 1440 is our right answer. How many minutes are there in a day? One day equals to 24 hours, and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, then 24 hours equals to 60 multiplied by 24. Okay, now see the next question, that is question number 9. A half liter ghee packet cost rupees 188. What is the cost of 165 such ghee packets? ghee packets. Now see the solution. Cost of 1/2 1 ghee packet equals to rupees 188. Now the cost of 165 ghee packets equals to rupees 188 multiplied by 165, means the cost of one packet is rupees 188. That means that cost of 165 such ghee packets is more than that. Okay, so for more, what you have to do? You have to multiply. Okay, is rupees 188 multiplied by 165. 8 5 ja 40, 0 carry 4, 8 5 ja 40 plus 4 44 carry 4, 5 1 ja 5 4 9, put the sign of multiplication here. 6 8 ja 48, 8 carry 4, 6 8 ja 48, 48 plus 4 52 carry 5. Okay, 6 1 ja 6 5 11, put the sign of multiplication. Now you know very well that if 1 multiply the number, you got the same number. 8 8 1. Now simply you have to 8 plus 4 12, 2 carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 10 20, 0 carry 2, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11 carry 1 3. That is a 31,000. Cost of 165 packets is rupees 31,020. Okay, rupees 31,020. So your exercise and your chapter both are completed today. So for what you have to do, you have to solve these complete exercise. If you face any type of difficulty, then you can contact us or you can message us on our WhatsApp number. Okay, so in the next lecture we are going to start a new exercise, new chapter, that is chapter number 6. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Take care beta. Bye.